Hola, mis estudiantes virtuales. Muchas gracias por mirar mi video. Gracias. Gracias por estar aquí conmigo. So, yesterday, the question was, does Billy know how to swim? The first student answered, Billy no sabe nadar. And the second person wrote, Billy no es nadar. Which one is the correct answer for does Billy know how to swim? It would be that top one. Billy no sabe nadar. So the second person, I think, was trying to say Billy is not swimming. But the S doesn't belong there. I want sabe, knows. Billy no knows to swim, doesn't know how to swim. The second one asked, what weather is it when Billy leaves the water? Now, the second person wrote, cuando Billy sale del agua, which I love because I don't have the questions in front of me when I do the grading. All I see is your answers. So when person number 2 wrote, cuando Billy sale del agua, I was like, oh yeah, now I know what this says. They wrote, hace sol y hace buen tiempo. Person 1 wrote, hace buen tiempo. Both person 1, persona, la primera persona y la segunda persona, tienen razón. They're correct. I like the second one better, so I'm going to copy that one. Cuando Billy sale del agua, comma, hace sol y hace buen tiempo. Okay? And you guys are my good kids watching the video. You're my good kids. So yeah, the more you practice writing, the more you practice spelling, the better it is. And you're going to be so awesome when you go to Spanish 2 next year because you've practiced so well. Question number 3. Where is Billy? So the first person wrote, Billy está en Playa Tropical o Ciudad Antigua. We'll come back to that. And the second person wrote, Billy es en la playa. Okay. Both sentences use en la playa. They both say en la playa. When it says en la playa, is that ser or a star? En will mean it's a star because it's location. So the first person, Billy, está en probably a tropical beach, or la playa tropical. I like how they wrote la playa is on the beach. O Ciudad Antigua. Ciudad, adadadad, is feminine. So this word right here, should be una. So I'm just going to write Billy está en la playa. Billy's on the beach. And I'm going to use está. Is this a special place or is it a normal place? They wrote es el lugar especial, which is it is the special place. And they wrote it is the special place. Let's change that the in both sentences to un, which is es un. It is a lugar especial. But notice that both writers put especial after lugar. Excelente. So Billy no sabe nadar y cuando Billy sale del agua hace sol y hace buen tiempo. Billy está en la playa y es un lugar especial. What do you think is going to happen in a lugar especial? Billy's going to have an adventure, una aventura. ¿Cuál es la fecha? Hoy es jueves, el 29 de abril. How did that happen already? And what time is it? Right now it is 11:30. Is 11 singular or is 11 plural? It's plural. Son las 11:30. I could write 30. I am going to write media. Media is half. Middle, medium, half, media. Son las 11:30. I could write 30. I chose media. They're both correct. They both mean the same thing. Más emociones, temporary conditions and emotions. Mañana es viernes. ¿Cómo te sientes? Nos faltan 3 semanas de clases. 3 weeks left of class. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for being here with me. On the videos I try to teach, and I appreciate that you at least show up for it. So, estoy alegre porque mañana es viernes. Estoy muy ocupada porque nos faltan, I'm just going to copy that out of the question, nos faltan 3 semanas. Okay? I'm really busy because we only have 3 more weeks. 3 more weeks. Ah! Por qué, why, cuando, when, qué, what, dónde, where, cuál, which, one, cómo, how, quién means who is there. Por qué, why, cuando, when, qué, what, dónde, where, cuál, which, one, cómo, how, quién means who is there. Por qué, why, cuando, when, qué, what, dónde, where, cuál, which, one. I only need which. Technically, cuál means which. It often uses which one. Spanish never puts the word one with which. They just say which. They never say which one. ¿Cuál? Por qué, why, cuándo, when, qué, what, dónde, where, cuál, which, cómo, how. ¿Quién means who is there. Practice answering questions that contain question words. A lot of this is based on the novel because I'm using the novel to let us review stuff from the year. So I'll wait while you get this done and checked. Yippee! Okay, here are the numbers 0 to 200. If you need to know how to spell them, we have not done a lot of specific work with numbers, but we've done the dates, and I feel like you guys should know the numbers to 30 just from the dates. We've done lots of temperatures in Explore talking about these numbers. I have learned in the past that students don't learn numbers until they need numbers. So that's why we have been doing them as dates so that you need them. I need to know how to say hoy es el 29 de abril. Okay, I need that in order to complete homework. Therefore, I process how to say 29. Okay, so here are the numbers if you need to know how to spell. You're going to use those for time. Viernes, ustedes tienen prueba. You have like a review quiz. I'm going to keep giving you 25-point quizzes as practice for that big 100-point test at the end of the year. So Friday, you have a 25-point quiz that'll talk about el and la, los and las. It'll talk about some of the basic conjugations we practiced this week. Time is going to be on there. Direct object pronouns are going to be on there. And it's going to be really short and fast just to see if you have some idea what's going on. So here's what it says on the clock. Por reloj. Okay, on the clock. And then in palabras. So 11 o'clock. I just got done saying it was 11:30. Son las 11. Okay, son las 11. Do you know how to tell time? There are answers on the next page for you to check, mostly spelling, okay? Direct object pronouns. A direct object pronoun takes the place of a noun that is serving as the direct object of the sentence. A direct object pronoun takes the place of a noun that is the direct object. Direct object is not the same as the subject, okay? I have a water bottle. I am the subject. Have is the verb. I have what? Water bottle. That's my direct object. I need a pen. I am the subject. Need is the verb. I need what? A pen. That's my direct object. Okay. When I replace the direct object, I have it, I need it, that's when I use a direct object pronoun. Now, the question is, where in the sentence do I place that direct object pronoun? You'd better be typing, I put it in front of the conjugated verb. Conjugated verb. The conjugated verb. Okay. Conjugate querer for me. So what's first person singular? What's I want? Quiero. Keep going. It's a shoe verb. Oh, you know it. Come on. You can do this. Quieres. Quiere. What happens up here in the we form? Queremos. Queréis. Quieren. That's what happens. Querer also means love. Example given, te quiero. Quiero, I love. I love what? You. You goes in front of the conjugated verb. Te quiero. Te quiero. You I love. You I love. Te is the direct object pronoun, and quiero is the io form of querer. Please match the sentence to the picture of what is loved. So down here, it says te quiero. We just got done saying te quiero, I love you. So what do I love? You. Match. Okay. So keep doing that. Be careful, Billy. La bufanda is feminine. I know Billy's a man. I get it. He's a guy. He's masculine. But the word bufanda is feminine, so I use the feminine it for Billy. And when you're done, you can check. I'll wait for you. Now that you've matched them, go ahead and translate these sentences to English. And if you're watching my video, gracias. I know a lot of people don't. When you go to the check on the next page, they're upside down. They are. So it says, para chequear, wink, wink. So if you're watching this, you're in the know. Don't tell the morons who are not watching it, okay? Go to Senor Woolley and complete the assignment. It's pages 15 through 22, which seems like a lot of pages, but the story moves relatively quickly on those pages. And then, super simple, how do you say go away in Spanish? It's what the socks say over and over and over. The socks say it. They say it at least 10 times. At least 10 times the socks tell Billy to go away. So how do you say go away? Okay, how do you say go away? Just type that in Spanish. Have a good weekend. Tomorrow, mañana, viernes, 25-point quiz. So don't forget to take it. Adios.